Hello everyone, meteorologist Grant Smith with the National Weather Service here in Juneau, Alaska. It is early Monday morning, November 28th. We're going to be talking about this upcoming week. So for starters, an overview of what we're going to be talking about. We do have a high wind warning. It's going to be in effect on Tuesday. Then after that, we're going to talk about the forecast details that went into this forecast for this week. The weather pattern and the setup is what we're thinking. And then also the middle of the week, the cold outbreak on the way. And then we'll finish this up with the 5-day outlook. So for starters, the high wind warning is going to be in effect at 3 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Tuesday for Skagway and downtown Juneau. Now, if you are not in those areas, we're still going to be seeing some strong northerly winds, just not up to the threshold of 60 to 70 miles per hour. The main impacts from this, damaging winds that could blow down trees or power lines, and it could cause for difficult travel. So the overall weather pattern, what we're expecting, high pressure over northern Alaska will move to the east-southeast, just to the north of the Panhandle. And that pattern usually brings northerly winds through the Panhandle area. This particular time, it's going to be bringing in some very strong winds, and those strong winds are going to be bringing in some very cold air in the middle of the week. In fact, highs on Tuesday and Wednesday for the south. Petersburg, a high of 15 degrees. Wrangell, the highs near 20 degrees for both Tuesday and Wednesday. The Prince of Wales Island, highs will be generally in the 20s. And then for the north, very similar story with highs in the teens and 20s. Gustavus, Hoonah, highs near 20s. Juneau, highs will be in the upper teens. So very cold air sitting in place. And then the overnight lows for Tuesday night and Wednesday night. Overnight lows will be in the single digits and teens, which is actually near record low temperatures. So we have near record low temperatures in the forecast for the middle of the week. So your 5-day outlook, minor impacts at the start of the 5-day, and then as that high pressure weakens and moves to the southeast into British Columbia, the winds will lighten up and temperatures will warm up just a little bit, so the impacts will be little to none. Also, we're looking at clear skies for the whole week and dry conditions. But as always, stay plugged into the forecast at weather.gov/Juneau for the latest. For the National Weather Service in Juneau, Alaska, I'm meteorologist Grant Smith.